Hey there, it's Tabitha Caro. In this video, I'll share with you really quick just how to hide slides in Google Slides that you don't want to show up in presentation mode. So it's really simple. You will just go to your document. This is a Smart Class website, the Rustic Farmhouse theme, and I'm going to hide the classroom policies page because I'm not going to use it, but maybe I just don't want to delete it right now and have to try to reinsert it later on. So I'll click on it in the sidebar here and I'll right click to get the option skip slide. That's what you're looking for, skip slide. You'll get this eyeball with a line marked through it icon. That's how you'll know that it is skipped. So if I put it in presentation mode, let's do that really quick for you so you can see that. All right, so that's the one that should be skip the classroom policies. So if I go here, it was slide 4, so it should come after this one, and it is not there anymore, which is great. However, if you have the slide you want hidden or skipped linked up in your presentation, if somebody clicks on that link, it's still going to go to your hidden slide, just FYI. So for example, here it is, classroom policies. Let me refresh this window so I know that this is updated and classroom policies should be hidden, but when I click on it, it does show up. So just make sure it's not linked up anywhere because I guess it will override that hidden skipped feature and it will still show up. But as far as just if they're just clicking through on through the slides, it's not going to show up and you're good to go that way. So I hope this was helpful on how to hide slides or skip them in Google Slides. If you would like more digital resource creation tips, please join me at my free Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Take care and hope to see you in the next video.